Alright, what's up guys? You're watching Garage 114, and so today's April 3rd. You know, spring already started, but you know, New England weather, you never know. But so I just cleared off the hood of my Volvo. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, and guys, I want to rust out my hood. So I've been thinking of rusting out my hood because it just has bad paint. You can see, well, it's hard to see with the water on it, but the paint isn't that good. The clear coat is peeling off, and then it's gone into just down to bare metal in a few places. So I think it would be cool if I just rusted it out because I don't have the money to paint it anyway. Yeah. Okay guys, so I got that much done with my hood, and then handyman Aiden came over, and he's gonna be helping me get a new exhaust. So, alright guys, I'm whipping the new car. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So that's this kid's car. That's man-child's car. I gave like
that's not my race car though.
Look at those fogs.
Oh yeah, GDM yellow frogs.
Plus 20 horsepower
I don't think
each.
You've seen this? I showed James a couple minutes ago. The turbo.
I don't know what's about to happen, guys. Ready? This car is gonna remind you of the S60. You're about to be reminded of the S60.
You ready to see the turbo?
Why? Look at the color.
VTEC! And the white fuse block.
That's the same exact color we had on my S60. Dude.
221,000 miles of glory.
The turbo, I can see it right down there.
Yeah, dude. It's like right past that.
Hidden under there so no one can see.
Yeah.
Dude, man.
400 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
To the wheels.
Alright. What am I filming? Oh, you're starting it up?
Yes. Das custom exhaust.
This is the should we hold this up to it or no?
No.
Alright. It's definitely quieter. Actually, really, that sounds pretty good.
Sounds not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so the muffler's kind of press fit on there. Have them pretty soft.
Yeah.
Go slow, don't rev it obnoxiously.
Okay, yeah.
Because it might fly off. So I'll follow you.
Jake, do your heated seats work? No.
Do you have heated seats?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, exactly. That's why. It's weird. That's
Dash stand's about to fall over.
Oh, it's cold. All right, here.
What we're doing too, like going.
All right, so we got the muffler and pipe connected to that on, and we got to go to his house because he's a welder, and we're gonna weld that on. So we're gonna take the 400 horsepower Civic and follow him to make sure it doesn't fall off, and he's gonna try to get out. I don't think he's gonna get out though. Oh, we out here. Look at this dude. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're doing a custom side exit. And right now, Manchild is welding us up the pipe. Because we can't weld.
It's cold.
It is cold.
Very cold.
Dude, that's a dope filter reflecting. Oh.
Crap.
Why do I smell like burning smell? Is that my eyes?
No.
I'm watching it in the camera. What are you on? I don't know. Okay guys, so it's been almost a week since the last part you just saw. It rained a shit ton, so the part I've got done is already pretty rusty. I didn't put like anything. I was gonna put salt on it. I didn't put anything on it. That's just from just the rain. So yeah, my exhaust is done. I still have to go get hangers for it because it's just attached to nothing right now. But yeah, right now I'm gonna try to keep working on this. I don't want it to like sit for too long like that. I was disappointed that it was an entire week before I was able to get back to this, but it was just raining, and you can see it's like a little bit of a hill to get up into this place where I work, and my yard was just muddy. You could see like I was just doing burnout, so I couldn't even get up into my thing, so I couldn't even work on my car until now, till the rain stopped. So yeah, just gonna finish this up or do as much as I can, and I might go get exhaust hangers tonight because I sort of need that. I've also just wanted to show you guys that's 556.8. The clutch had to be driven for 500 miles before being broken in, so I can be a hoonigan now. And yeah. Okay guys, so that's all I have time for today. I'm about halfway done. The last 20 seconds, about 20 seconds you saw, 20 or 30 seconds. That was basically 2 hours. So as you can see, it takes a really long time. My dad actually came in and helped me. He did this upper section right here, but yeah, you can see it takes a really long time. I have to pack up and go to soccer right now, so that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Okay guys, so I have a coolant leak. Just trying to figure out where it was coming from. You can see it's all wet, like all back here. Like it's wet over here. Oh, it's sort of dry now, but there's wet back there, wet over here, a little wet over here, wet down there. and like it was basically everywhere wet with coolant. And this little overflow tank, see, has the max and the min on it. I'd fill this up to the max, and after like 20 or 30 minutes of driving, this thing was empty. So it was leaking pretty fast, and I was looking all around here. I couldn't find any possible place for it to be coming out of. Like all the head gasket, like all the gaskets are like fine, they're dry, but like it's just like wet everywhere. So I was looking all around here. Finally, I saw this puddle at the bottom of the radiator. So I disconnected the radiator. Well, I still have the hoses attached, but I like unmounted the radiator, and I took off the fan shroud, which I washed and is over there. But it looks like the radiator's the culprit. I can't see exactly where it is, but it's pretty wet right here. So I think there's a leak over there. It was leaking out. It was getting sucked up into the fan shroud, and then the fan was just blowing it across the whole motor. So I was searching all over here and I couldn't find it. So it is the radiator after all. I can't really see where it's coming from though. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so ripped out the radiator. Yeah, there's nothing in there. I looked closer in here and there's no leaks to the hoses connecting. There weren't any leaks in here, although I tried loosening this. This was connected to the radiator. This is from the overflow tank going into the radiator. When I tried to loosen it, it was already cracked. And me trying to loosen, by the way, I can't get this off any, like, that's just rusted on there so hard. But when I was trying to loosen it, it just broke off of the radiator completely. And it's made of plastic, so like the outside, this part of my radiator is made of plastic on both sides, and that's the leaks coming from this side a little bit. Yeah, it's leaking from this side, but then also there's a crack here, and obviously I ripped it off completely, like when I was trying to get it out. So this radiator's kaput. Gotta love old cars. Like this hose clamp I can't get off either, so I had to take it off by this one. Anyway, I'm gonna be ordering a new radiator. I'll get that on when it gets here, but my car is stationary for now, I guess. I'm just happy that I found the problem. That wasn't too big of a deal to fix, because I was worried that I was gonna have to do like water pump or head gasket or something like that, but luckily it's just radiator. But also, okay guys, I just got home. Look at that, there's something waiting for me at the door. Let's see what it's from. Oh, look at that. IPD. Here's my new radiator and my new hoses. Guys, I'm excited. So as you can see guys, I've been slowly getting work done on the hood. I'm past halfway done. I've just done a little bit each day after school. It's a lot of tedious work, but wow, that's really bright. But yeah, I'll get that done at some point. It's so slow. I'm using the wrong tool. I should be using an angle grinder with the paint removal tool, but I just have the drill, but let's pop the hood. Look at that, guys. We got blue radiator hosing, so that's pretty cool. My fan shroud. I was gonna paint this mint, at least on the outside, because mint life, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do that now. Okay. Okay guys, so it's not like 15 minutes later, probably around 10 minutes later at most. I washed it, and then I took the label off this one because I always heat my cans before. But Hedrix paint, it's really expensive, but look at this quality finish. Yeah, I have there's some stuff in there because I'm painting outside, but this is just one coat. I mean, I've applied a lot, but I just kept going around and around. So I'd start on one side, I just keep going around. By the time I got back to the same side again, it was dry. So I was able to keep going around and around. And this paint has one of the best finishes of any spray paint I've seen. If you're painting a whole car or anything actually, this paint is expensive, but it's super good. Look it up. It's called Hedrix paint. They sell it at Home Depot, but it's commercial grade stuff, and it's really good. Look at that beautiful new radiator. Okay guys, so that was the time lapse, but I have all the hoses reconnected. It's looking good. I still need to go get the 2 attachments, but I just filled up the coolant system with the coolant. Volvo's use Pentafrost NF. So I'm just gonna start the car for the first time to get it, see if it's circulating. Okay guys, so there we have it. It's running. The coolant is full. And I think it looks great with mint and blue. But yeah, so I think that concludes this episode. I don't know what all is going to be in this episode, but thanks for watching.